Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to delete Bitmoji from Snapchat. So first, when you open up your Snapchat app, as you can see here on your screen, and then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, and you'll find here your profile page. As you can see, my current Bitmoji. Now to remove this one or delete, just tap on the settings icon at the top right, and then here, scroll down and then tap on Bitmoji. And then from here, you have an options here if you want to change outfit, edit your Bitmoji, or choose a selfie. But for this sample, I just want to remove, so I just want to tap on unlink my Bitmoji. So once you tap that button right here, as you can see, a message shows up saying if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in my closet. So just tap on remove button here to permanently delete or remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.